Lush green valleys to silent, mysterious stillness. A trail that connects two dimensions, one with pine forest and flowing rivers, the other with dry, quiet, desolate mountains. This is the Hampta Pass, not just a trek, but a transformation, a journey that changes not just the landscape, but also the perspective and your limits. The journey begins from Manali. From there, a local vehicle takes us to Jobra, which is the starting point of this 5-day adventurous escape. We walk through tall pine forest with the sound of birds and the scent of the woods, crossing raw river bridges on the way, moving towards our first campsite, sometimes under the trees and sometimes under the open sky. After 4 hours of trekking, we reach our first campsite, Chika. We do some fun activities and exercises under the guidance of our trek leader, that making the trip more memorable. Then comes tea, snacks, and casual talks with stunning views. Later, dinner in the open sky. We awaken to a crisp mountain morning where the sunlight dances on the clouds and the air feels like a silent blessing.
Om Namah Parvati Pataye.
After getting ready, we begin our trek, stepping over slippery rocks and broken trunks as the river dares us to cross its pulse. The trail grows steeper and every breath grows heavier as we push through the day's most unforgiving climb. We take a short break at a small tea shop, but soon another challenge awaits. Our first river crossing, the water is ice cold, our feet go numb, but crossing it brings a strange relief, like a quiet victory over fear. The trail opens wide, green meadows all around, tiny flowers blooming with every step, as if the valley itself whispers, "Slow down and feel me." The weather shifts, warm sunshine, cold shadows, sudden rain. Breathless moments, racing heartbeats, we walk beside icy streams and silent glaciers. And somewhere along the way, a quiet bond forms between the soul and the Mother Nature. After 5 to 6 hours of trekking, we reach Balu Ghera, a place not just to see but to feel. Every frame glowing like a scene from cinema. After dinner, tired yet content, we lie beneath 1,000 stars and slip into dreams, carrying the calm of this night and the promise of tomorrow's path. From Balu Ghera, the path becomes steeper and harder. We walk between boulders and sometimes over them. Then comes the moment everyone waits for, walking over a glacier. Step by step, slowly moving towards the summit. As we go higher, breathing becomes harder, but the views become more magical, like a white blanket spread across the mountains. After 4 to 5 hours of climbing, we reach the top.
Om Namah Parvati Pataye.
14,000 feet above the sea level. From here, we can see the barren silence of Spiti, a moment where the world goes silent and only the wind speaks. Then begins the descent. It's steep and rocky, With care and trekking poles, we slowly make our way down. Soon, we see a beautiful green meadow with colorful tents. That's our today's campsite, Shea Goru. A calm river flows beside it, bright tents pitched near the water. The peace here cannot be explained, only felt. With tired bodies but fulfilled hearts, we sleep with the joy of crossing Hampta Pass. We wake up to the sound of the river at Shea Goru. The cool morning breeze tempts us to stay longer, but it's time to move. After breakfast, we head to Chatru. We cross the river again, and that icy water shocks our whole body. It numbs the feet as we move across. Though the trail today is easier, the tiredness of the past few days makes it harder. And the sights of Spiti Valley, they make you talk to yourself in silence. Each moment deep, raw, different. Drinking fresh water from a natural stream feels like a memory carved in the heart. One last glacier patch welcomes us before the end. After 4 to 5 hours of trekking, we finally reach Chatru, our last campsite. Here, road connectivity starts again. We get into a traveler or jeep, ready for a bonus destination. Off-roading in Spiti's rough terrain, crossing water-filled roads and bridges, watching sheep blocks the road, it all adds to the thrill. When we finally see the gate, Chandratal 13 km, excitement returns. One more challenge and one more reward. Chandratal, a lake of dreams, wide, still, magical. A place where time stands still, a sight that touches the soul. Its water so clear, the sky mirrors itself in it. After spending some quiet time, we drive back and stop at the legendary Chacha Chachi Dhaba, the only one in the region, run by a kind couple for over 50 years. Their warmth adds its own flavor. After tea, back to the campsite. Next morning, we drive back to Manali, but the memories of this trek stays with you. In just 5 days, so much is lived. Walking through roaring rivers, dense forest, changing landscape, and new friendships. Walking on glaciers, crossing freezing waters, and feeling the calm at Shea Goru campsite. All of it becomes unforgettable memories. So, when are you planning to experience it? Plan your Hampta Pass Trek with Hike in India. Adventure made easy.